Matt here again, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the Escape 17 trailer. So we'll start with the exterior of this beautiful Escape 17 trailer. And one of the first features I like to point out on the Escape trailers is this front storage compartment. And this is great for storing any of your dirty equipment that you don't want to have to put inside the trailer. So you can put your power cords in here, you can put your hoses in here, any of that kind of stuff. You've got your propane tanks on the front. This one has a manual jack, but you can get a power jack as well. We continue around the trailer. We've got some exterior lighting right above your sewage dumping station. Great if you're dumping at night. We've got an outdoor shower hookup. Great if you need to wash the dog after he's gotten dirty after a day of adventuring. We've got our hot water tank, our fresh water, and our water tank fill up. Our power. Back on the bumper here, we do have a receiver, so if you wanted to put a bike rack on there, you could do that. And on this one, we've got the batteries on the back of the RV on the bumper here. We've got some storage, outdoor receptacle, another light. So before I show you inside, here's some of the basic specs. With a dry weight of 2,640 pounds, this RV is very lightweight, so there's no need for a massive tow vehicle. Its total length is 17 feet 8 inches, and with this compact size, you're going to be able to get into just about any campsite. The interior height is 6 feet 2 inches, which is not too bad for a tiny trailer like this, but if you're any taller than that, you'll have to crouch down while walking around in here. The freshwater tank has a capacity of 20 gallons, whereas the gray water tank has a capacity of 26 gallons, and the black water has a capacity of 13.2 gallons. And next, let's head inside this 17 and have a look. And the 17 does have a lot of different layout options. So this is just one of the many options that we have to choose from. Just like the other Escape models, the 17 is very versatile with 4 different floor plans. The one I'm showing you today is the 17B F1, which has a 2-person dinette at the front and a 4-person dinette at the back that both convert into beds. In comparison, the 17V F2 has a permanent bed at the back, whereas the 17B F3 has a permanent bed at the front. The other floor plan option for the 17 is the 17A, which doesn't have a wet bath and instead has a permanent bed at the front with a 4-person dinette at the back. So this one comes with a separate dinette that can convert into a single bed. Up above, we've got some storage here with a nice little charging station, so a good spot to charge some of your devices if you need to. We do have some storage above the dinette on either side, and a nice little counter space here as well that you can use for all kinds of different things. Underneath, we've got a huge storage space. So it does have a coat hanger here, so if you wanted to use this to hang coats, or you could also choose to add some shelves inside here and use it as a bit of a pantry space. There's a little counter space that pops up that gives you some extra area. And of course, lots of spots for hanging hats and coats and everything else that you might need. Got a max air vent fan. These are great whether or not you have an air conditioner in the trailer. This can pull in a lot of cold air or push out a lot of hot air from your trailer. some more hanging right at the entrance of your RV. And then let's pivot over to our wet bath. So great little wet bath. Got your shower, your sink, covered toilet paper holder, your toilet. Got a little cabinet for storage, an exhaust fan, a little window in here as well, keeps it nice and bright. And next we'll pivot over to the kitchen area. You've got a nice little propane stovetop here, and below that we have our propane heater. Got some good storage here as well. Couple drawers. And underneath that, some nice deep storage space. And more storage under the sink. Escape does a really good job of optimizing storage and putting as much storage as possible. So then we pivot up to our Dometic fridge. Not a bad size for a little 17-foot trailer. Got our freezer on top. And right above that we have a microwave. And that's an option. You could also have the microwave removed and just have this as a storage cabinet, depending on how much you use microwaves. Got a nice low profile exhaust fan for the stove, doesn't get in the way of your headspace. Nice little sink here as well. And I love how many windows they put in these trailers. Now, when I was looking at the front, the protective cap is currently down, but that's actually a nice window too, so that makes it nice and bright in here. Got a window right in front of your sink, and then windows surrounding the back area as well. We've got a Bluetooth stereo system. Up here we've got some more storage. You'll see the speakers on the sides here for your stereo system as well. Another pop-up counter space on the side here. So lots of ways to extend the amount of counter space that you have. And then here you've got another tabletop that would convert into a bed as well. So lots of options for that. And Escape has done a good job of adding receptacles down at the bottom here as well to give you lots of flexibility and options. Although the one I'm showing you today doesn't have an AC unit, you can add this as an option which would replace this manual vent. I hope you found this tour helpful, and as usual, if you have a question that I didn't answer in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.